Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our accounts class. Today we are going to see how we can find out the interest of drawing. If a drawing is made regularly. Okay, I have written the heading, you can see interest on regular drawings. It means same amount is withdrawing continuously. For example, 1000 one partner is withdrawing 1000 every month, then it is a regular drawings. Another partner withdraws 2000 per month, that is also example of regular drawings. And we know to find out the interest on drawing, we are using principal amount, then rate and time. Okay, and if one partner is withdrawing a fixed amount, suppose one partner is withdrawing rupees 1000 per month, every month he is withdrawing 1000, then totally there are how many drawings will be there? 12 months drawing is there, that is 12,000 is there. And when you are calculating the interest on drawing, first month he is withdrawing 1000, so for that we have to calculate interest on drawing. Second month also he is withdrawing, then for this also we have to calculate the interest on drawing. And the third month, it means 12 times that amount we have to write and calculate the interest on drawing. It will take a lot of time. If you are calculating all the amount individually and its interest you are calculating, it will take a lot of time, and our calculation also will take too much tidy work it is. That is why one shortcut method is there. If a partner is withdrawing regular drawings to find out that interest, one shortcut method is there. So only one amount we can take and we can find out the interest on drawing. I am going to teach that method, that is shortcut method. And another thing, if one partner is withdrawing 1000 per month, then there also time will be applicable. That drawings may be the beginning of every month. I have written here beginning, and secondly end of every month or a middle of every month. If a middle is not given, sometimes it will be during the month it is given. Okay, so middle it means during also. If in the question during is given, then it means we are considering during means the middle of each month. So here when you are calculating the interest on drawing, the formula will be for calculating that interest on drawing. If the drawing is made beginning of every month, and total drawings will be how much? If 1000 per month, 12 time he is withdrawing, total drawings will be 12,000. Otherwise we can write 1000 into 12. 1000 into 12, 12,000 is coming. Okay, in that way we can write. Then it will be more understandable. So here 1000, 12. Then rate will be given in the question. Suppose the rate is given 8%, then this into 8 upon 100. Then time, this factor we have to take. If drawing is made at the beginning of every month, then time we are taking on average basis, and that will be, it is coming 6.5 is coming. The average time, it is coming 6.5. Then now this formula when you are applying, we will get directly the interest on drawing. This is the shortcut method. Otherwise we have to calculate individually. Then how will be the first drawing he made 1000 is the amount, then 1000 into 8 upon 100, then into here first drawing is made at the beginning of months, beginning of the beginning, then how many months is remaining? Remaining month will be 12, because the beginning itself he is withdrawn, so 12 upon 12 is coming. If in the beginning of the month if he is withdrawing, then this will give a first drawings amount, and the second drawings amount will be this into rate upon 100 into, and the second drawing is made second month beginning, that is why 11 months are remaining, so this 11 upon 12 is coming, and the third drawing this into 8 upon 100 and 10 upon 12, like that it is going. Okay, and the last drawing will be here 3 drawing only I took. Now the last drawing 1000 into 8 upon 100 into last drawing is made, then the remaining month will be 1 upon 12. Okay, then this way if you are calculating, we need to make it 12 time, we have to take the calculation and only time only we need to change. This also will give you the correct answer, but now I think you understood that it will take it too much time, and in the examination we are not getting that much time. That is why one shortcut method is there. According to shortcut methods, instead of taking this 1000, we are taking the total drawings. So that total drawings is coming this one 1000 into 12, 8 upon 100, that is the rate, and the average we are taking 6.5 upon 12. How this 6.5 is coming? That will be, here the figure is a 12 upon 12, so here it is a 12, and second figure is a 11, third one is a 10, and like that 9, 8, 7, like that is coming. So all these figures we are adding together, 12 plus 11 plus 10 plus, like that we are adding all the figure, and lastly 1, this last remaining months, divide by, here 12 figures are there, we are dividing by 12, then we are getting 6.5. so this way this is 6.5 we took in this formula. Okay, and another shortcut method is that to understand this is 6.5, that will be, listen, months remaining after the first drawing will be 12. Remaining months after the first drawing is 12. Then remaining months after the last drawing will be 1. So 12 plus 1. Only first after the first drawing how many months is taken, and the last drawing also how many months is remaining, that only we took. Then here 2 figures only there. That is why here we are dividing by 2. Here we divided by 12 because totally 12 figures we added together, and to find out the average we have to divide by 12. But here 12 plus 1 divided by 2, this is coming 6.5. So this is 6.5, easily we can find out if this ID is there. Okay, so that is why this is our shortcut method to find out the interest on drawing. If a drawing is made regularly at the beginning of every month. Okay, this is the beginning of every month. Then did you understand how this here 12, how it is 11, 10 is coming? If you did not understand, then I will tell that. Listen carefully. See, these are the 12 months. Okay, this April, May, June, July, like that. The accounting year is starting on 1st April and it is end on 31st March. Then first drawing is made on 1st April. 1st April the drawing is made. Then how many months is remaining? We are calculating interest on drawing on 31st March. That is why the remaining month is how much? We have to count, it is April 1. So April also we need to count. So it is coming totally 12 we will count. Okay. And the second drawing is made on 1st May. So 1st May means only 1 month only completed. Then now remaining 11 months are remaining. Then the last drawing, like that you understood I think. Now the last drawing is made on 1st March. 1st March the drawing is made and we are calculating 31st March. That is why after the last drawing the remaining month will be 1. So we can take this to 12 plus 1, that here I shown 12 plus 1 divided by 2, 6.5 is coming. Okay, so this is the, if a drawing is made at the beginning of every month, then what is the, and here the drawing amount should be same, then only we can apply this formula. If for first month 1000, second month 3000, third month another amount, then we cannot apply this formula. The regular drawing, heading I have written there, regular drawing means the same amount should be withdrawn on a particular time, then only it will be a regular drawings. So in the beginning of the month, if a drawing is made, did you understand why we are multiplying with this 12? Because every month 12 month is there, that is why to get the total drawings we multiplied this one. This is the rate and this is the average time. Then if next one, regular drawing, in that if the drawing is made end of each month, then the formula will be first part will be same, 1000 into 12 because of 1 year's drawing we should get after multiplying 12 only into rate is the same 8 upon 100 into out of 12 we have to take the time. So end of every month, so that I will tell you, end of every month, it means when will be the first drawing? End of every month means April last. Okay, April 30 the drawing is made. April 30 the last drawing is made. So how many months is remaining when you are coming to March 31? 11 months is remaining. When we are making the drawing end of the first month, 1 month is completely over. So remaining month is 11. Then we can take the last one. When will be the last drawing? End of every month. It means March 31st the drawing is made. So March 31st to March 31st 0. Okay. So 11 plus 0 divided by 2. That will be the average. It is coming 5.5. So this 5.5 we can write here. 5.5 we can write. Is it clear? Only this average month only changing. Now, if a drawing is made a middle of every month or during the month, means a particular date is not given. It is not the beginning, it is not the end. Then the calculation will be this portion only changing. Okay, other things are same. So I am writing only this portion, that will be, when we are calculating, we will get average month will be 6 by 12 we will get. 1000 into 12, this one 8 upon 100 into 6 by 12. How 6 is coming, that only we need to think. Now this way, middle of every month. Middle of every month means the first drawing is made on April 15th. So half month is over here. So up to 31st March, when you are taking, how much is the remaining month? Only half month is over. That is why remaining month is 11.5. Correct, na? So April 15 days only over, or half month is over, and the remaining month is 11.5. Okay, that plus last drawing. Last drawing will be March 15th. March 15th the drawing is made, then 15 days are remaining. 15 days means half months. So here 0.5. So this we are adding together and divide by 2. It will give 6. The average is coming 6. That is why here I told to take 6 upon 12. Okay, this is clear now. So it's examples we can see later. We can see some other formula also. The next, if regular drawings only, heading is interest on regular drawings. In that, the second one, first one is every month the drawing is made. Every month the drawing is made. Now this one, each quarter. Drawing is made each quarter. Then here the calculation will be, each quarter means we know in 1 year there are 4 quarters are there. That is why 4 times he is withdrawing the money. Suppose the withdrawing amount is rupees 1000. Withdrawing amount is 1000. Then total drawing of 1 year will be 1000 into 4, not 12. Did you understand why we are multiplying with 4? We are multiplying with 4 because in 1 year there are 4 quarters are there. It means first quarter he is withdrawing 1000, second quarter also 1000, like that 4 quarters are there. So total money he withdrawn, that will be 4000. That is why here we are taking 4. But in the previous formula we took here 12 because every month drawing is there. Then after that, this into rate is we assumed that it is 8%. Then here also we have to take the average months. Okay, average months. When you are coming, once again we can think about this one. So drawing is made each quarter, and that will be the beginning of every quarter. Okay, in case of beginning of every quarter, then the date will be, see, 1 quarter means this 3 are coming together as 1 quarter, and July to this one, it is the second quarter, and this is the third quarter. Okay, and this is the fourth quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now our question is the beginning of every quarter. Listen here, this one, each quarter, and in that beginning of every quarter, then the first drawing will be on April 1, right? This is the first quarter. Beginning of every quarter means that drawing is made on 1st April. So 1st April to 31st March, how many months are remaining? 12 months are remaining. Plus, then we can take the months remaining after the first drawing. Here also we are taking like that only. Months remaining the after the first drawing and months remaining after the last drawing. So here also in case of quarter also, first quarter he is withdrawing, so remaining month is 12. And the drawing is, the last drawing is made on beginning of the 4th quarter. 4th quarter means this is the time, this 3 months is coming, and the beginning of this quarter means January 1. January 1 he is withdrawn, and January 1 to 31st March 3 months is there. So 12 plus 3, 15, 15 divided by 2, that is coming 7.5. Okay, so average month we got to 7.5. This is 7.5 we will write in this formula. Average month will be 7.5. Then end of every quarter. Okay, next formula. What is the question? A partner withdraws 1000 end of every quarter. Okay, 1000 one partner is withdrawing end of every quarter. So the total drawing will be, one drawing is 1000 into 4 quarters are there, that is into 4, that into rate is 8, into here we have to take the time, and here the time will be, we can come to this table. Listen, end of every quarter means when will be the first drawing in, this is the first quarter, end of this quarter means June 30. June 30. Okay, and last drawing is in the last quarter, last of each quarter is the last day we are withdrawing, means March 31st the drawing is made. Okay, these are the drawing made on this drawing made on June 30, that is the first drawing, and the last drawing will be March 31. Now after, when the drawing is made on June 30, what is the, how many months are remaining? Already 3 months is over, so 9 months are remaining, plus here it is the last day, that is why 0 will be the remaining months. So 9 plus 0 divided by 2, how much is coming? 4.5. So here we can take 4.5. Now if the drawing is made a middle of every month, middle of every quarter, then this part will be same, 1000 into 4, 8 and the average time will be out of 12, then average time we can see. Middle of each quarter, so this is the one quarter, in that middle means drawing is made on May 15th, correct? Drawing is made on May 15th. So May 15th when you are coming, how many months are remaining up to 31st March? That will be 10.5, because 1.5 is over. April full is over and May 15 also over. That is why 1.5 we are deducted from 12. We got 10.5 plus last drawing will be on February 15th. Last drawing will be on February 15th. So how much month is remaining here? 1.5 month is remaining, because February 15 days and March full. So 1.5. 10.5 plus 1.5 divided by 2, it is coming 6. So here this will be 6. Then it is not completed. Another type of question, the third one is during 6 months or last 6 months. Its meaning is, suppose the businessman he closed his books after 6 months, then these cases are coming. Otherwise, businessman, meaning of this one, businessman is closing his books after 12 months, but he is making the drawing in the last 6 months only. First 6 months there is no drawings. Last 6 months he is withdrawing. So two cases we are considering under this heading. One is if accounting year is 6 months, and the second one is if accounting year is 12 months but the drawing is made in the last 6 months. So in that case also 3 sub cases also can appear. First one is beginning. So here the drawing is made 1000 per month and that will be only in the last 6 months. So the total drawings we will get by multiplying with 6. Then this into rate is 8 upon 100. Then out of 12 we have to write the average months. Average months we can understand from this table. Listen, this first 6 months there is no drawing. Then this month only. Now in the beginning of here the drawing is made. This last 6 months the drawing is made and that drawing will be the beginning of every month. That is why first drawing will be on October 1. So October 1 to end of this accounting year is March 31st. How much months are remaining? That is 6 months are remaining. 6 plus then last drawing is made on 1st March. 1st March to 31st March only 1 month only remaining. So 6 plus 1, 7 divided by 2. How much? 3.5 is coming. So here in this formula we can write here 3.5. Now end of last 6 months, that will be 1000 into 6 into 8 upon 100. Out of 12 what will be the average months? Here it is clear, in the last 6 months only the drawings and that will be the end of every month. So October last we are making the drawings. This month also completed. Now how many months are remaining? 5 months are remaining. 5 plus last drawing will be on March 31st. March 31st to March 31st 0. Remaining months will be 0. Divided by 2, it is coming 2.5. So here 2.5 we can take here if the drawing is made end of last 6 months. Then next one, middle. Middle means middle of every month. So first drawing will be on 15th October. Then it means the remaining month will be 5.5. And the last drawing will be on March 15th. Then remaining month will be half month, means 0.5. This is divided by 2. It is coming 3. So here this will be the average months will be 3 upon 12. Other things are same. Now in the last 9 months also, here also beginning, end, middle, these cases are there. So last 9 months means we are taking July onwards. Okay, July onwards. And if the drawing is made at beginning of every month, then here this will be 9 months remaining plus 1 divided by 2. Then this will be 5 is coming. And if end of last 9 months, in the last 9 months drawing is made end of every month, then it will be, firstly it will be 8 plus 0. Last drawing will be on end of the month, that is why March 31st it is coming 4. Then so here we can write 5 by 12. Other things are same, that is why I am not repeating. Okay, if the drawing is made at beginning of in the last 9 months, then 5 by 12 will be the average months. And end of every month in the last 9 months, then it will be 4 upon 12. Then if a middle of every month is given, then the average months that will be 4.5 upon 12. 4.5 upon 12. Other things are same. And here how much will the total drawings? Total drawings will be 1000 into 9 into 8 upon 100. 8 that is assumed figure. I told you if a rate is 8 percentage, then only here 8 is coming. Okay, so this is clear. And how the 4.5 is coming, that we can see. So what I told, in the last 9 months, middle of each month is coming. So here July 15th, it means the remaining month will be 8.5 is coming. Okay, after the first drawing, the remaining month will be 8.5. Any doubt is there, you can simply count it. Okay, July 15th to March 15th, 8 month is there, then half month also, that is why 8.5 is coming. Plus last drawing will be on March 31, then it will be 0.5 divided by 2. So 9 divided by 2, it is coming 4.5. Okay, then that is why here 4.5 upon 12 is coming. So by today's class, I took one important one part, that will be calculation of interest on drawing if a drawing is made regularly. Okay, here 4 cases are there. Every month the drawing is there, every quarter the drawing is there, in the last 6 months every month the drawing is there, in the last 9 months every month the drawing is there. Then these are the calculations. Okay, and this is given how this average month is coming. This is given in the textbook, that also you can refer. Okay, in the textbook calculation of interest on drawing is given, that you can see from page number, in page number, this is 1.36. okay, page number 1.36. here interest on monthly drawing is given. After that here also, here when you are continuing in the coming pages also, this only given. Okay, here you can see some question also, when drawing of equal amount are made during the middle of each quarter. Okay, quarter also I have explained. So here some questions, illustrations are there, that it will be based on this type of calculation. Okay, so you understand this one, and you have to study how this interest on drawing we can find out. If you are studying this formula and everything, then you can save the time. Otherwise, only for calculating the interest on drawing, you will take you more than 10 minutes. Actually, only 10 minutes only we are getting to solve one full question. Okay, so it is that much importance. So seriously, you have to study this one. Okay, thank you.